Welcome to Foxify Tutorials by FoxEcom. Today, we're all about streamlining your customer experience and boosting sales with the amazing Quick View feature. Have you ever scrolled through a long product list and then something catches your eye, but you don't want to leave the page and lose your 30-minute window shopping effort to see the product details? This is where Quick View comes in. Quick View lets your customers see essential product information like images, vendors, and even add directly to their cart, all within a convenient pop-up window. This eliminates the need to reload the page, keeping them engaged and browsing smoothly. It has been widely proven that using Product Quick View can significantly enhance the user experience on an e-commerce website, leading to increased engagement, higher conversion rates, and ultimately, improved sales. According to Baymard Institute, implementing Quick View function can reduce the time it takes for users to explore product details by up to 50%, resulting in a more seamless and efficient browsing experience. Research by Inflow suggests that e-commerce sites that implement Quick View functionality experience a 41% higher conversion rate compared to those that do not. According to eConsultancy, implementing Quick View can reduce bounce rates by as much as 18%, leading to longer session durations and increased opportunities for conversion. Quick View is particularly beneficial for mobile users, allowing them to view product details without having to pinch and zoom or navigate through multiple pages. According to Google, mobile sites that load in 5 seconds or less experience up to 70% longer average sessions and 35% lower bounce rates. A study by Nielsen Norman Group found that 82% of users prefer sites with Quick View function, citing convenience and time-saving benefits as the primary reasons. You can use the timestamps to navigate through the video.
A theme can be considered the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. We proudly present to you Zest, a solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility, optimized for conversion and packed with built-in features, and especially dealt with the success of mobile commerce in mind. Your store is generated by clean code, tested and approved by Shopify. Ready to grow your business using the most beloved theme. And get support from our dedicated team. Join the mobile revolution with Zest.
Now, let's get back to adding the Quick View feature in Foxify Page Builder. This extension adds a plus button to your product card to every product listing in Foxify templates. All you need to do is go to the App Extensions section from your Foxify dashboard, select the extension Fox Product Quick View, and hit Install Extension. Once the extension is installed, in the extension settings, select the option Enable Product Quick View and click Update. Voila! Your product cards now display a handy Quick View button. For templates already published, simply hit Publish again to apply the new feature. That's all. You now know how to install and use Product Quick View extension on your pages. Quick View is just one of the many ways Foxify empowers you to build amazing online stores. We offer a vast library of app extensions that seamlessly integrate third-party app features, allowing you to customize your storefront with just a few clicks. To learn more about this, check out our help article linked in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Foxify tutorials coming soon. Thanks for watching.